So here's how to update your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Just go into settings. Under settings on this left hand side panel, you want to scroll down to software update, tap on that. And then if there's an available update, you will see this little dot right there. Okay, so what you want to do is simply tap on download and install, and it's going to probably download for you. You can see I have One UI 7 ready. All I have to do now is tap on install. Now, if there's no update available for you, or if your tablet is up to date, it will let you know. So for me, I'll just tap on install. And of course, it's going to warn me that it's low battery. I need to be at least 20%. Now that we have some charge, let's try again. And the tablet should get updated this time. Now it may restart a few times during the process, so it's important to just be patient and wait for this process to finish up. Once it's done, you'll see the welcome screen once again for One UI 7, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.